My orders! Let's see what is inside this. So I was expecting something to come because this week is Miro's off-site week. Usually pre-COVID time, Miro used to fly every employee to Russia where their headquarters are based. But they couldn't do it, so we did receive a communication that we will be getting some goodies, but I wasn't sure what all. So let's see what all goodies we have. I have been with Miro just 3 months and I have received around 7 to 8 goodies packages. Let's see what is in these goodies packages. This seems like something related to lunch. I was definitely not in mood of cooking today and I'm surprised to get something in lunch. Looks like some kind of bread. Okay, let's see what all is inside this. And then there is one more bread. But I'm not surprised at all because in Netherlands people eat only bread and cheese. What's in this? Oh, this is quite good. This is hummus. And that too, it has like cucumber, tomato, and some sprouts. Wow, looks delicious. What? I don't know what this is, but it's looking good. So this is an onion soup. Wow, nice. And then there is this salad. And then I have a juice bottle also. Wow, quite good. I think I'm sorted for the lunch. Let's see what is in this particular bag. Usually whenever I get goodies from Miro, it's always something related to hoodies, socks. I don't know what is in this little box. Definitely not some hoodies. And I also didn't want hoodies this time because I have already received 2. Let's see what is in this one then. A card from Miro. Looks good. And here it is also mentioned like this is a summer off-site week and from week between August 2 to whatever is the last date. 6. Nice one. And then I have received some speakers as well. Wow. One thing is for sure, Miro's UI and UX is so good. You can see it from their website as well, and then in the goodies, in whatever goodies they send, their design is pretty good. Like my hoodies that I have received from Miro, they are so colorful, so pretty. And then this time not a hoodie but a bag. Wow, this one looks cool. I've seen so many people wearing bags like this. I never thought like I'll get these because I don't find them okay. Let me try it and see how it looks on me. How is it looking? I think it is good for in case you're traveling, you don't want to hold something. Like with the regular bag, you either have to hold it from your hand or you have to put it on your shoulder. But this one is quite good for that particular use case. How is it looking?
It's looking good.
It's looking good?
Yeah.
Let me see it in the mirror. Yeah, it's looking pretty cool actually. Nice. I can put my phone in this one. And oh, I didn't see it. There's a pocket inside this one for hiding some of your stuff like money, wallet. So pretty cool. Well, there's one more package that arrived just now. It's almost afternoon. The other 2 packages arrived in the morning. So I have already opened it because I couldn't hold my excitement. Actually, first I'll give you a brief context about it. So as a part of summer offsite, we are going to have a drinking session where everyone will join in remote and have a drink. So I have got a package for that. They have covered almost everything, starting from some snacks. These are popcorns, cheese, and hold 2 bottles of wine. One of them is alcohol free, which I'll be using because I don't drink alcohol. And then there is other one. There are more stuff actually. There are these nuts. I don't know what this is. Something to go with wine. And then there is this ham. I don't eat meat, so this is based for me as well. And then there are olives. And then a small note as usual. So many more items. But I'm most excited about these wines because one of them is alcohol free. I want to open and try it, but I would hold on to that until my remote meeting where I'll join all the Mironiers and drink this bottle. How did you like this goodies bag? Do your company send you frequent goodies and frequent gifts? If yes, tell me which company you work for. I'm really happy with my company because I'm getting spoiled so much. I mean, in case I go to any other company in future, which I'm not planning to do in near future because I'm quite happy with my company. So, but if I do, I would definitely expect them to send me so many goodies and so many gifts because my Miro has spoiled me. Okay, this is it for the video. If you want to see my other goodies, if you like these kind of videos, let me know in the comment section and I'll be putting these kind of content more often. Okay, then I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye, stay safe.